Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Armitron Pro Sport Chrono Alarm digital watch. This is going to work for most Armitron digital watches out there that feature the 4 buttons. As you can see here, we have PM and it is now 1 o'clock, so we now know it is 1 PM. If I press the reset button, it is actually going to switch to 24-hour display, so military time, and we now have 13. If you want to switch back, press it once again. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it like this. In case this doesn't work for you, you might not be in your home screen, so you might not be in T1. So make sure to press the mode button, go past the alarm, past the stopwatch, past the T2, and now you have arrived at the home screen. This function is going to work only here. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular Armitron Pro Sport digital watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I'm going to show you how to use the alarm, the stopwatch, how to set the time, T1, T2, and also how to activate and deactivate the hourly beep and the alarm. I'm pretty sure you are going to need it, guys. Also, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow, guys. So also make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. If you would like to buy a vintage watch, check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.